you guys, what's up? It is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am Melissa. Today I was going to talk to you guys really quick about your 2019 goals, or your 2019 goals, whatever you call it. If you have made your vision board, are you crushing your goals? If you're like, Melissa, what the hell is a vision board? Then I'm going to leave a link right here up in the little card up there, and you can click that and you can see how to make a vision board, what a vision board is, and how I made my personal vision board. Personally, this year, I'm already crushing a lot of things that are on my vision board. A vision board is just like a goals board, a dream board, a vision you have for yourself for the year. You can make a year vision board, a 5-year vision board, a 10-year, whatever you want to do. I made mine for 2019, and I'm already crushing a lot of the things that I have on there, and I hope you guys are too. But if not, that is why this video is coming at the end of January and not on January the 1st, because it's so cliche. Everybody does videos like this on January the 1st because they feel like it's a new year to start over, which is a great feeling, and I love that. But if you did not get a good start to your year, if you did not feel like January 1st or January in general has not been your time, it does not matter. You can literally start planning or reaching your goals or making your vision board or whatever any day of the year. It literally does not matter. Whoever said January 1st was like the day to make your goals? No. With all of that said, if you read the title, you already know this is a giveaway. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be giving. I picked up this planner because I have this planner for myself. This is by the brand Fringe. This is not sponsored. Nobody sent this to me. I bought this and everything in this giveaway with my own money just because I love it. So I went and picked up a second one because I was like, somebody else is really going to love this. I also picked up a sticker book to go with it if you're more of a visual person. A lot of my friends like to use colors and stickers in their planner, and it just helps them get things done more. So I did pick up these two things. Let me go ahead and show you guys what these look like inside.
Okay, so really quick, I just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what you would be getting. This planner does have a place for your name in the front, and it also does have a pocket folder in case you need to put coupons or notes or even slide your scissors or your stickers down in there. It does also feature an entire page with the 2019 and the 2020 calendar on it. And it also has a place for your contacts that will include like name, number, address, and things like that. And then moving on to January, it does have these cool sayings. This one says, "This is your year," and every month has a different saying, which I think is really cool. It does also have the tabs. These are in gray and pink, which I thought was really cute. So you can literally just flip right to the month. You don't have to worry about sifting through papers like some of the journals or planners where they don't have tabs. This is really handy. And inside on the first page of every month, it has like a January to-do list, a what I want to get done, additional notes, things like that. And then here it just has like your traditional calendar that you can write things down in. If you like writing in the little squares and you're that type of person, it does have that. And it does have an extra space for notes. Or if you're someone that's more long-winded and needs more room to write notes for each day, it does have that option as well. And I'm not going to show you all of these, but for February, it says do more of what makes you happy. And I just thought that was another really cute one. And since November is my birthday, you know your girl had to check out November. On the very back page, it is just a list of the 2019 U.S. holidays, so you will have that. The back does match the front cover and is very durable and sturdy, and I love this. And moving on to the sticker book, like I said, I know a lot of people are more visual. They like to have color. They just like to kind of make it a little bit more fun so it's not so boring. So I got the stickers as well. There are 20 pages of stickers in this book, and let me show you what some of them look like. There are some fun ones to just put in there, but then there are also these blank ones where you can fill in like appointments or anything like that. But then there is also one that does have appointments. Don't forget, let's clean, let's get it done, all of that kind of stuff. So I just thought this would be really fun to put with the planner.
Alright guys, so the official rules for this giveaway are that you must be subscribed. This giveaway is going to be for the US only this time. Please leave a comment down below letting me know one of your goals that you plan to crush in 2019. And please leave me your Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, email, some way that I can contact you. I will contact the winner and give the winner 24 hours to respond. If they do not, then I will have to choose another winner. This giveaway will be open until February the 12th, that is a Tuesday, at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So at midnight, I will close the giveaway. No more comments will be able to be entered. That will give you 2 weeks to enter those, so that's plenty of time. So please share this video with your friends and your family and your mom and whoever might want to enter the giveaway and get a planner, or enter for someone else if you want to win the planner to give to someone else. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.